All right, guys, 2016 Ford Focus ST. This is before. I assume it's stock. Sound decibels. 97. We'll let you guys hear when we get done.
2016 Ford ST Focus Turbo. What we got done on it, he brought his own kit. We let you guys hear what it sounds like before. It's got a factory converter there. Then it's a catback system, so it takes out the resonator right there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back with no muffler either, as you guys can see there. And then it's got a nice dual tip out the back in the middle. Right there. Came out really nice, really clean. There she is. Look at that. Clean stainless steel system. It is the track edition. AW track edition right there. Here's the part number on it. Right there. So you guys can, if you want to order it, that's the part number. We'll try to get you guys a link in the description for it, okay? It's a huge box. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you were wondering what the old system looks like, there's the muffler, quad tip, and there's the stock pipe that was on it right there and right there. Okay? So here we go. We'll let you guys hear it. Sounds so much better. Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. That's perfect. I like it. It's clean. And it is a 6-speed, guys. That sounds perfect, bro.
I think it's not too raspy.
Yeah, it's not raspy at all. Because it's also a 3-inch system, so it sounds clean. Ford ST Turbo. AWE Track Edition. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And he is a soldier, guys, so we want to say thank you for his service. We really appreciate it. Always thank a veteran and always thank a soldier. So we appreciate everything they do. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah, that sounds really